2 ham and cheese, well, turkey ham and cheese sandwiches. I have some cukes and I have some juice. So I'm gonna do this mukbang. Try to see if I can upload it. And I've already ate some of my sandwich, so it's a good sandwich. I know I haven't downloaded or upload videos in a long time. I've just been really busy, and I know that's like the oldest excuse in the book, but it's true. I have been. I still am real busy. I said, let me go ahead and take this opportunity to make a mukbang tonight, because everybody was asleep or still sleeping, and it's really late. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, probably a little after 1. So, I just threw this one. It's got missing buttons. I'm trying to keep myself covered. Love these cucumbers. I normally would put this on my sandwich, but I'm not worried about it. I may not do too much talking only because it's late and there's kids right there asleep, so. I'll just let the sounds of the food do the talking tonight. Most of the talking, not all. It was like a snack, really. It's a snack. I'm actually in my bathroom. It's off my bedroom. It sits off my bedroom. Like my bedroom's right there. That's my bathroom. Good. I just got hungry all of a sudden, out of nowhere. I remember to eat. But I wanted to eat something light, because after this, I'm going to bed. And I've been up literally since yesterday. And it's like, I don't feel tired or sleepy. So I have to see what I can do to get to that point. And I said, well, maybe I'll make something to eat, because you know how when you eat, sometimes it tends to make you sleepy. And we'll see if this will work. Go to sleep. Yeah, we'll see. This is so good. Excuse my nails. Been in bleach all day. Mm. So hungry. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. So how's everybody doing tonight? Who's up with me? And what are you having for your snack? I might not eat this one. I'm tired. Maybe I'll sleep. I'm drinking this right here. It's really good too. Really good. Another reason why I'm not talking now, I am starting to get sleepy. Very sleepy. Put on my nightgown, my scarf, and be out. But I think I'm gonna like doing this filming at night. It's quiet because there's a lot of kids in my house, grandkids, you know. So. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. And it's on camera. After that, adios. Sorry you had to hear that. I'll eat this tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Tell people about me if you want. I don't know. And I'll come back with more mukbangs. I'm gonna try to anyways, but this is, my schedule is so crazy right now. But I will definitely try to come back and share more, you know, mukbangs with you guys. Okay? Love you guys and bye. Adios amigos.